Hi everyone, I'm Coach Wendy. I'm an EFT Master Practitioner, Mindset Coach, Law of Attraction Practitioner. So today I want to talk to you about how easy it is to use EFT and affirmations. We combine the two. This is positive EFT tapping, and EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. And the reason that I love it so much is that anybody can do it. As long as you can tap, or if you're sensitive to the tapping that we do, you can even just gently touch the area or gently rub the area. So if you're struggling with tapping for any reason, then just gently touch it. So I've been using EFT for many years and loved it myself. And then I trained to be an EFT Master Practitioner because I wanted to share it with other people and not just use it for myself. Now, a lot of people make lots of videos about releasing low emotions, and I do that too. But the main thing that I want to get across to people is that EFT is so quick and easy to use to help you raise your energy so that you feel really good, raise your vibrations so that you feel really good, really positive. So from a law of attraction point of view, the better you feel, the higher your energy, the higher your vibrations, the easier it is for you to manifest the things that you want. So let me go through what EFT is with you. So we're just going to tap on the side of the hand. So what I want to say is that different EFT practitioners will do slightly different things, okay? There isn't sort of like a right or wrong way. All of this tapping is really powerful. So the points that I'm going to show you, they're called meridian points, but generally I just call them EFT tapping points, and they're like little doorways to your energy body. Okay, because your energy, you are energy, your body is made up of energy, and you can get kind of blocks and your energy doesn't flow the way it's supposed to, and that's what causes you problems. So we want the energy flowing really well, and we want your vibrations really high so that you can be a match for the life that you want, for anything that you want to manifest into your life. So we start at the side of the hand, and I like to say why I'm tapping. So the affirmations that I am going to focus on today is for wealth building. So I'm tapping today for the energy of wealth and abundance and prosperity. I'm tapping to feel wealthy. Because when you're trying to manifest something, you can say, I want to be wealthy as much as you want. But the energy you're giving out is that I want it, I don't have it. So we want to put out the energy of already being wealthy. Tapping today to feel wonderfully wealthy. Tapping today to feel amazing about wealth building. I am a wealth building magnet. So anything that feels good to you, that's what you want to be tapping on. Okay, I'm going to shrink down because you can't see the top of my head. So tapping the top of the head. I'm a wealth building magnet. Forehead. I love building wealth. I'm so grateful for the wealth that I already have. You can tap one side or both sides. It really doesn't matter. I pay attention to all the wealth coming into my life. I love wealth. I love that I am now a wonderful, magnificent wealth builder. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more wealthy. I am wonderfully wealthy. that feeling of wealth. I feel amazing. I love this feeling of wealth. I am so wealthy, and every day my wealth increases. I pay attention to it. I love it. I enjoy it. I celebrate it. Oh, it's such a good feeling. I am a magnet for wealth. I am a wonderful wealth builder. I am wonderfully, magnificently wealthy. Shake your arms out. Now you can keep going with as many of your different wealth affirmations as you want. I'll put a link in the comments for some blog posts that I've written that are sort of like connected with money, wealth, prosperity, that kind of thing, abundance. So you can have a look at those if you want to get some more ideas. But, you know, say whatever comes to mind, as long as it's sort of like a positive statement rather than things like, try to avoid I want, because that suggests that you don't have something. So you want to be talking about wealth as if you already have it. You want to be getting that feeling of already having wealth. Okay, so that's it from me today, and I will be back with more EFT, positive mindset, affirmations, law of attraction tips in the next few days. Watch out for my shorts because I post them most days. Bye.